Use the foot. Use the foot. You got it.
Use your foot.
You're right there, dude. You got it.
20 to 1. He doesn't do it.
I am. I am.
This is brilliant.
Why? This is Mystery Science Theater.
Evolution right here.
Dude, we just got done at MGM, and this is the best entertainment I've had all day.
That would suck, and you know homeboy's hungry. He's like, damn, I want to eat.
He's almost got it. He's getting there.
He's like, you gotta be kidding me, God.
I got 5 on 2 minutes.
It's so through.
It's funny how he just came up to us. He's like, guys, check this out.
He's like, get. Could you please spit me out?
You better tell Rafi we're gonna get there
I
later.
know, we need to get a video to show Rafi the part.
I want to see how he's
I say we should tell Disney about this, because they might make their next movie right here.
Yeah.
I mean, they made Finding Nemo into a movie. They can make this bird.
Is that a dodo bird? Because
this bird, yeah, but
you are recording
gonna
this, right?
talk.
Yes.
It's gonna be played by like Will Ferrell and
Instead of just keep swimming, it's gonna be just keeps swinging. Just
Just keep swinging. Just keep swinging.
Look at this. This sucks. And I'm feeling bad. I want to help the guy.
Yeah, can we get a branch?
he'll get it.
Watch
He'll
out.
get it. Don't jump over.
Who are you trying to help, the fish or the bird?
The bird. The fish is screwed.
Done.
I can see my mom. Let's
Save the fish.
I'll jump down there and help him.
Dead.
No, I want to save
That fish is
him.
alive. Are you kidding me?
He ain't gonna be alive for long.
That fish is like moving a little bit.
I'll jump down and help him.
There you go. There you go.
Come on, dude.
Here he
Get
comes,
it.
here he comes.
Coming out of the fish.
Yes, I see the blood coming out of the fish.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know that that's the blood coming out of the fish. If that's the fish's.
You
If
almost
that's the
got
bird's
that one.
beak.
I'm pretty sure it's the bird.
Yeah, take a
Snapping
picture of that. Show your mom what you
I already
learned today.
did. Oh, hey,
Now
hey.
you're poking at it more. That wasn't smart.
You got this, dude.
It's like right there.
We're gonna call you Fred, so we don't have to call you dude anymore.
Fred, get it, Fred.
Go, Fred!
He's
Come
right
on,
there. He's
Fred.
literally right there. He's got it so much out now.
You're a winner, dude.
Dude, use your
See, that
foot.
fish is
Fish
still
is
You're gonna
alive.
go far in
Yeah, the
life.
fish is alive.
Go, Fred, go!
There you go.
Look at the hammer. This is what I want to see.
No,
Hell yeah.
This is gonna
Do
be
not stop
something right
filming.
here. This is fierce right here. Go, Fred,
Unleash
go!
the fury.
Go, Fred, go!
Don't you dare fly away and eat that thing. We want this on fucking camera.
This is serious.
He's trying
Look
to eat
at
that
him.
full fish.
Oh my gosh, there's no
Dude,
way
he's
that
not
would
eating
fit
for the
in his
next
mouth.
3 days.
He's good.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome.
It doesn't get better than this.
He's not gonna nail that.
Mom, happy
Really?
birthday. Seriously, happy birthday. I am glad I could share this moment with you guys.
A bird with a fish. He had it caught in his beak, but he got it loose, and now he's trying to eat it.
But it's way too big to eat.
No, not. We're from Florida, so gators don't interest us.
She's like, what are you looking at? Nothing.
Yeah, bird, you need some lemon butter or something.
I'm like, hold on, lady, take us to Epcot when we're finished.
Some Vaseline.
Where you going, bro?
No, 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 no.
He wanted to get his feet wet.
There's no way he's getting that hole. I don't know what he's thinking.
Yeah,
It's
bird,
some
that
discovery. I'm
fish
sure we
is
have
3
some
times the length
I
of your...
bet you he wishes he had hands right
Or a
now.
fork and a knife.
There's no way. I got
She's
2.
watching it too. Are you kidding me?
Get it, dude.
He's flipping it and everything. I feel like
Look at it, it's like he's our entertainment for the
I
day.
bet you can make
There's
some
no way it's
prime
like a
time
snake.
omelets.
You can't do that. No, there's no way.
He can flip that fish. He can flip an omelet. Dude, you need a
If
pal.
that
You
fish flips up here, so help me.
need, you need
Is
someone to
this
help
gonna charge
you,
us for
dude.
this?
Yeah.
You need somebody to help you, Fred.
Fred, bring it up here. I'll cut it in half for you.
Tail feathers.
Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah, she can tail feather.
Shake that fish like a Polaroid picture.
It's too much work to be a bird. Look at this. Just trying to eat a meal.
I'm actually getting tired right now for it.
Oh, it's a fish.
Yeah. It's like a serious
No, he's trying to inhale it. Good luck, buddy. Yeah.
First, he had the fish speared
Yeah,
with
he was
his...
still fishing it. This was his beak.
He was swimming across, and all you could see is the fish head.
The whole fish out of the water.
Oh, he's like, caught it, but no.
No, what
Dude,
am I gonna
Disney's
do?
all about helping people. We should help this bird cut it in half.
You're not gonna charge us for this, are you?
It's not entertainment.
No, we're setting up a booth and we're gonna start charging.
Yeah, I'm gonna start charging.
We're trying to save our money Sunday nights. You guys got a bird eating a fish for entertainment.
He was swimming in the water.
He actually had the bird. He had the fish speared, and all you could see is the fish head with his head up. So